Hi everyone! Recently we teamed up with Cordial and are now offering an amazing DIY service. Basically, you guys have control of the design and are able to edit your stationery easily and quickly. You don't need to have any software downloaded. It works through your internet browser on your laptop, computer, tablet or your mobile device. You don't have to even purchase any fonts. We have a large list of premium fonts embedded for you to use freely. All you need to do is just purchase the template and then edit the template yourself and then print either at home or at a print shop. If you are going to use a mobile or a tablet, you are only able to replace the text. For all other editing, please use your laptop or your computer. As soon as you went through the checkout process, you downloaded our instructions. Now what you need to do is go into your email and look for an email from Cordial. This is the software we use to edit all of our templates. If you can't find it, look in your junk or your spam folders. If you are still having trouble, go to cordial.com and you can get access that way. So inside your email, there will be a link to take you to your template. So you just need to locate that link and then click. Here you will need to add some details and register for a free account. Once that is done, you will see your templates. I highly recommend using a Chrome browser as some font glyphs don't show up in other browsers. So here we are inside the software to edit your templates. Now how this works is all your templates will be showing on the left hand side. In order to edit, click one of the templates you have purchased. I'm going to go ahead and click on the response card. It brings up the card and I'm going to start editing from here. Almost everything here is editable apart from the flowers. To edit, you just need to click on anything you see. On the right hand side toolbar, there is a layers box. If you click here, you will see the editable layers. You can select a layer from here and it will highlight that particular layer on the screen. If there is an element you don't want, you can just click on the artboard and come down to the layers where it will highlight that particular element and then you can just delete it. I'm going to click on these words once and as you can see a dotted line box comes up around the text. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, just click on the round corners circles and drag. If you want to move it around, just click on the center and start moving your mouse. To spin text, click and hold this top white circle and move it around. You can change the wording by double clicking and now your cursor will appear. You're able to select the text and then enter your own. Now let's say we want to change the font. Just come up to the right hand side toolbar and click here to drop down the box and choose the one you want. If you click on this button here, it will take you to the glyphs. You can change the character for a glyph by clicking on the character, copying and using Command V or Control V on your keyboard on where you would like to add the glyph. So I'm going to show you how I do that now. And I'm just going to go and select a glyph. Let's go for an R. So select it and then click copy and then double click on the board, highlight where you want the character to go and then Command V. And then you can just change your text. I'm also going to add a glyph on the P, so I'm going to go back to my glyphs panel. I'm going to find a P. I'm going to click copy, double click, and then select the P and then Command V. So that's how you add glyphs. Now back to these buttons over here. This changes the font size. This is bold, this is italic, this is underline, this strikes through your text, and this is all caps. If you hover your mouse over these, they will tell you what they do. You can change the text color by clicking this and then just moving your mouse around to find the color you like and moving the slider across until you're happy, and then that will change the color. If you click on the style text box, you will see these features. So you can add a drop shadow, you can also add a stroke, now to glow, curved, opacity, rotation. You can make a complete copy of this by clicking the duplicate. If you don't want a second one, you can just go to the trash can and delete it. Click here if you want to add a new image. Click here if you want to change the background color. Some objects are editable, like these hearts. If you click on one, you'll see a change image colors box appear in yellow. Here you can change the color of the stroke. If you go up to the replace image box, which is turquoise, we have added a couple different options that you can change to. You can also add your own image if you like. Our RSVP cards and invitations are double-sided. You can access the back side by clicking this arrow and going to page 2. On our RSVP cards, you have a return address to make your RSVP dual-sided, but if you are using an RSVP envelope, you can delete this page completely by clicking the trash can. Be sure to save your work often by clicking the Save Changes, and if you ever want to go back to the original, just click this arrow here. Access to your template expires after 60 days, but until then you are able to come back and make as many changes as you need. When you are ready to download your files, click on the Download Cloud. You will see a number here that indicates how many downloads you have left. Each file can be downloaded up to 10 times. You need to save the files to your computer so you can either print it or send it to a printer. Your options are PDF or JPEG. If you choose JPEG, this saves your design as an image and is good for sending via email. It is also good for printing at a photo center. You can also choose to download the front page, the back page, both a zipped file or individually. You can also choose to show the bleed, and when you're ready, just save as a JPEG. If you choose PDF, this is great for home printing and professional printing. Choose your paper size. You can have the default size, which is just one document, or you can print multiple per page on letter, legal, ledger and A4. You can also show the bleed and trim marks, which show you where to cut and save paper. You can also print the first page, back page, or both pages. Now simply just go ahead and hit the download PDF button and I'll show you how it looks. So Cordial has done all the hard work for you, and now we have 4 RSVP cards per page. We also have a bleed and trim marks. Now go ahead and save your PDF to your computer, and from here you can print as many as you need. I do recommend using the PDF to print your templates. It can give you the best quality print and is very easy to use. If you're going to use the JPEG file and you're going to get somebody else to print it for you, just make sure that they can actually print JPEGs. If you get stuck, be sure to go and check the PDF that you downloaded from Etsy when you checked out. It's got a lot of instructions there on how you can do everything I've just shown you. Thank you so much for watching and for your purchase. This is such a wonderful software. It's going to save you a lot of time using the templates. Reach out if you need anything and have a wonderful day.